Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I looked it up on Amazon after I did this video and found out that instead of this device being $90, it's being sold on Amazon for $129. My cost was $10. And this is effectively new because it was used once, the owner told me. So I got a $129 router and range extender with security for $10. And I want to give a shout out to Dustin Tam, my new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. Click on the bell and tell your friends. And Area 51 drone, hello drone. So, all right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night, and I'm getting back to the video. Bye-bye for now. Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, one and only original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is mobile Burgh unboxing. I just bought this. This is a Netgear Trek N300 travel router and range extender. And this works on Windows or Mac. Still supported by Netgear. And I saw this on Craigslist, and this sells for $90. And I got it for $10. And the guy sold it to me. He said, used it once. This is effectively a brand new router. And the only drawback to this, someone said in the review, it's no battery. It plugs into the wall. But when you go traveling, and he said this will work better than my Wi-Fi at home as a Wi-Fi extender. You get the manual. Tells you how to do it. None of this stuff what gives you pictures. They actually spent money on a manual, so you can see what's in the manual. And you can set this up at home through wireless or Ethernet, or a bridge to connect to my network. And I'll have to figure out how to do this. And then you get the first page, and then they have the usual disclaimers here in compliance. So this has the USB cable, which is in there. And then this is still in the original wrapping. And the guy I sold to is a retired computer person and has his own computer company. And he has told us he had 3 cell phones, which blew my mind. And I wish someone would stop fidgeting when I'm doing a video, please. All right, and here's the settings. To hide the codes. I don't want someone to see my codes. There it is. And then you take this plug. This doesn't have a battery though. That's what someone said. They wish they had a battery so you could take it with you. So, and then you have the wired power off and wireless. And then this little thing, I thought this was just a cover. And it's got a scratch on it, sadly, but that's what it looks like. So I'm doing this in the car, and when I get home, I will plug this in and try it out. But this is really cool. And I can take this with me, hopefully to Alien Con, and use it in my hotel room. And it gives you a firewall, so no one can get into your stuff. So that's it for this one. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and Kathy. Say goodbye, Kathy.
Bye, Kathy.
And we're going to head to the kitties and then go home, go to storage and then go home. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.